Anyway, I've drawn a trend line here, which means that price will go exactly where I tell it to go because I've drawn a trend line. Well, aloha, my friends. Hope you are well. Welcome, crypto universe lovers. Welcome, people in the cryptoverse. Welcome, people who deal in digital assets, whether you buy and hold or do anything to do with digital assets. Then aloha, welcome, Dabs. I'm reporting back here. I'm tired, man. Should I tell you I'm tired? Am I tired because crypto took a massive dump in the night? I don't know Warren Pepe's chart, but am I tired because of all this? Am I? Am I tired for this huge move down here, whatever it was? It was monumental. Am I tired because of that in the markets? Not really. I mean, it's just a better time to buy. But if you don't know, good morning. Hello. Hi, everybody. You are so goated as always. Much love. But big news of the day, my friends, other than a bit of a recovery and all nice and green, Bitcoin, along with many other crypto assets, took a huge dump, my friends. And I chose this particular moment to jump into, hang on, just let me hide that, jump into a little long position now. We made some money on the short, and now we're jumping back into the long, my friends. You'll note the here's a balance. Hang on, there's the balance. See, here's our little trade from yesterday. Nice. We're up a total of $12. I think it's four. No, we're up $10, man. $10. Where's the order history? The close trade history here, May. What the close? Anyway, we made some money on it. Okay, close P&L. Here we go. We made $7 and then $10 yesterday. $58 here. Can you see this? Anyway, it says $58. But anyway, so we close this trade, this high leveraged, high tiered trade that we were in. It was playing out beautifully, my friends. But yeah, just such is life and all that, and it's lovely. But I hope you're keeping well as always, my friends. Yeah, so there was massive. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Look at the touch. Oh my gosh, a touch, a response off the golden pocket there, mate. Oh, mate, looking good. So anyway, I did enter a little long position that I have open on WEX. Although I do trade on MEXC as well, so jumping over there, bit ICW there. I did open a small long position even on WEX, so that's cool. Just because we touched this golden pocket, yes, that's nice. So it's just just trading purely for Fibonacci level there. We're just trading, yeah. So bigger news, my friends, was Mr. Saylor here. Go to Mr. Saylor, Mr. MicroStrategy himself. It's rumors, man. It's rumors. It coincides while MicroStrategies was apparently sending Bitcoin somewhere else or selling them. Apparently selling them or moving wallets. Anyway, the market crapped itself and everyone started pooping it. And then Bitcoin, did drop to 93,000. Wow. And Michael Saylor did tweet out or said that he can MicroStrategies and Michael Saylor can hold. Don't view that. Can hold Bitcoin until the dollar, and MicroStrategy wouldn't go bankrupt. So I mean that in itself is a pretty big statement, my friends, to say that he can hold it to $1. He's gonna buy more. I mean, they're gonna buy more, aren't they? Not that they're gonna hold it and watch it go that low. I'm just simply saying that. The market's recovered a bit nice and green. Here, Tao's looking good, man. Litecoin, where's Litecoin? That's been doing okay. Litecoin, XRP, mate. And talk about XRP, did a pretty good trade on that the other day. Made some dough on that, mate. Made bank on that, yo. What the hell? I'm just trolling with you guys, man. But anyway, just took a little long position here. It was around here, man. Just going, wow. You know how I like to trade, mate. I like to trade these small little areas. So these are my snipey type of trades. I love them, man. I love to try and get in like there and then have my stop there. This is my type of trades. This because for me, high leverage on these positions. Yes, I've only got $56 in the account, but why do you think I've only got $56? Why? Where's the rest of the balance gone? I don't even know where the trading platform's gone. There it is. There's only $58 here. You can't see because the way I've set the screen up. There you see. There, $58. Why do you think it's only got $58 in? Yeah, because it got liquidated. Nice one. I was chasing a token called COAI, and I've been making some pretty decent and sizable trades on COAI. It's doing nothing. Red. Bang up. Bang, 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 bang. The mother of all McDonald's signs, and then pew, gone. $20, boom. $20, double top, boom. These are the time. These are the times, man. But you can see the lots of yellow crosses here on market side, my friends. As always, you'd use code FACE, not for me, but for the goated master himself. Use that code, man, if you want some market cipher action. Me personally, I keep dabbling here in COAI. I know it's probably dead. I know the coin's probably gone, but you know this thing can 160x from here. You know, that's good, man. My measly $50, you know, with 10x leverage, you know, what's that? $500. $500 times $500. $500. You know me, I'm not editing this, no, mate. You know, here, look. So if I have $50 and then I 10x it, so there's $500 on the trade, and then the trade moves up 160x and I take profit perfectly, what is the total proceeds that will go to my children when I die? And then we will wait and we'll press enter while we momentarily look once again at these beautiful green bubbles. $80,000, man. Do you know what I do with that 80 grand? 10x long. 10x long on one of these type of trades. These type of trades. What was this line for? you gotta love it when you go back in time. Oh yeah, man, because you said we bounce off that line. Bing. And so, excuse me. Shh. Shh. Dogs. God, you got 9-month-old bulldogs. These dogs. Oi. We said we bounced beautifully off this, man. Look at that. Look at that. If you can't trade this channel and you don't want to trade Fibonacci and you don't want to trade support and resistance and you don't want to trade, you know, previous levels and stuff, then what do you want to trade, my friends? You know, if you're a newbie out there, okay, what do you want to trade? So I think we're going to nice little bounce off here. I think. Me personally, you could ladder down here and wait for a drop down, add more at this 786, or you could reverse it here and watch the bounce back and watch it break towards the downside and then... Be prepared, mate, for both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. You know what that means, mate. If you touch it up 4 times, baby. Down, 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 down. Christopher's Simply Red music comes on. Simply Red. Lady in Red. Never seen you looking so lovely as you did tonight. Anyway, nice pump up to the upside here, man. This would be a goated trade with literally zero risk. While those dogs completely keep being loud. I'm so sorry. So if we jump in a long position here, and then I was talking about here, and then go to the top of there, that sound. Worth a try, man. 14 to risk 14R. Do you know what I mean? Man, it's been a weird one today, man. How are you guys and girls? You're all right? I put my lights on for you today. Do you like it? While I drink my chamomile, lemon, and honey tea. It's nice, man. You must do that. Vitamin D, mate, this time of year. I'm going for a sunbed. I went out this morning, done some delivery driving, mate. I made bank this morning, yo. Are you ready to see my goated thing, man? Uber. Let's jump on, mate. I'll show you, man. I'm not scared to show you guys. Here, man. Here you go. Uber. Today, £28.06 on Uber. See that? So I can afford a sunbed now. I'm going to have a sunbed as well. What do you think about that? What you got to say about that? I'm going for a sunbed. And there's not one goddamn thing in that little camera that you guys and girls can't do. Okay. Bitcoin took a tumble. Went as low as 93. It won't go. I don't think it'll go lower than 75. I hope it does. I hope it plummets back down to the 30s. I think 35 is as low as you go ever again. I don't think it goes past that ever again. But mate, I can tell you, trust me, I'm gonna be doing, you know, I might even add more of a shift on if it goes as low as that. If it goes way down. If it goes way down here again. 35, I reckon, thereabouts. I mean, but the support, look at the support. 70,000, around 70,000, 75,000, 75,000, around 75,000-ish. Nice level, man, for a bounce. But of course, let's do some crude mapping of the chart. Let's do some crude. Oh mate, support and resistance. So anyway, guys and girls, if we haven't got a pen tool here, let's do it properly, okay? When I say properly, I mean let's jump over to here, jump on the Bitcoin chart, jump on the daily, scroll down a bit, get out of that. This is goated, man. If you're not using Market Cipher, then what the hell are you doing? I'm not even joking. What are you guys doing? Like, why even trade? What's the point, man? Why even trade? Anyway, bounce from here would be likely, I presume. Then we're in head and shoulders. Back down, touch. We could feel around at 75k. This is what I personally believe in. You've seen my balance. You've seen it. I've got $58 in there. You've seen I'm goated on the cash. I've earned £28 a day. I once upon a time had $750,000 in a token called BitTorrent token. That was my claim to fame. But I didn't log in and just draw the stuff out. That's okay. We all do these stupid things. The dog's just farted. He stinks. Oh my God. That's rancid. So anyway, I think we do something like this. Retest up here. I think we fail. And then flirt around this line for a minute. And then what will we do? But then, of course, we're in a head and shoulders. Hopefully back down to 30s, man. This would be out. I mean, look how goated I am at drawing. You guys laugh at my drawings. You're just jealous because you can't draw like this, okay? You're just jealous about it all. Let me tell you about that, okay? Let me tell you about that. Let's see if we've got any old order blocks on here. Hang on. Smart money concept. See, there's one here beautifully. This is what we tapped up here, guys. This is technical analysis, deep diving now. This is what we tapped into here. The breaker structure. This fair value gap. This is what we come and tested here. This is what we beautifully took our trade off. Do you see this? Do you see what happened? We beautifully touched this into this little fair value gap. Do you see? Yeah. Anyway, let's have a look at something else. Order blocks, please. Let's have a look at them order blocks. See if we've got any really low ones. Tons of fair value gaps. See. Look at this. Not actually. I haven't looked at these ones before, actually, to be fair. But yeah, man. So this is what we took this trade off. This is today's video. I'm just saying that Bitcoin took a dump. We all know that. I'm too brokey to even try and comprehend buying the trading view. I have to mute one of these and then click on, say, the Market Cipher. This B, mate, always stays put, always. Let's go on the 1 minute. See if there's a sneaky little trade in here for a 1 minute. Oh my God. It bounced beautifully from that. Look at that, man. I bet I'm up. How much am I up? I haven't got my WX open here, but hang on. Un moment, por favor. Hang on a minute. Hang on. Hold on to your rocking horses, mates. Yeah. See, my COI trade is up nicely. $9. I'm at 5% and 4%. I'm not going to show you the balances, but I'm not showing you the balances, but I'm up 5% and 4%, which is all as traders. Surely that's all we care about. But yeah, there we go, mate. That's nice, isn't it? They should do a bit of because my lines are better than your lines. It's a wedge here, man. Down to the downside normally, aren't they? Oh, man. Anyway, I've drawn a trend line here, which means that price will go exactly where I tell it to go because I've drawn a trend line. If you are too late to this trade, my friends, I would wait for the breakout here. Okay, you're listening. I would wait for it to break out here and then retest this line. And then up we go. That's what I would wait for. Test. That's what I would wait for. So my bros. Mates, kisses. Have a good one. Hope you have a good rest of your days. I'm in a long trade at the moment. Taken from this wonderful little area here. Beautiful entry. I'm up 5% at the minute. on my measly $50. You can do the math, yo. But if you've got hella balance on it, man, and use high X leverage, then so be it. All the better to you, my friends. I am not in a trade currently on LevX. Although I did post this yesterday on my X, exactly this one, and said, guys, this would be a great time for a bounce, man. It's a great time. Mate, much of crypto face. This guy's good. I posted some other trades, some other winning trades here. This is where it's at. Oh, it's crypto face again. Some other winning trades. Here was one. Cool. That was a wicked trade. That was a fantastic trade, man. That was a cool one. Look at this, man. This is on my prop challenge. This is how I lost my prop challenge. My second attempt at the propage. This is how I lost it. This is how I lost. On ETH. 3, 4, 8, 1. On Ethereum. 3, 4, 8, 1. Jeez, man. That was here, look. Where was that? 3, 4, 8, 1. There. Hish. I mean, actually, it's gone up a bit since then. But I personally... Oh, mate. Oh. It's okay. I can reapply. I can have it again. We can go again. Don't worry about it, mates. We can go again. It's okay. You didn't see anything there. But my friends, thank you so much for watching the video today. Nice to have you all here. Much love. I love you all immensely. Thank you so much. If you watch, man, 1% of this video. If you watch 5% of the video, that's cool. Also, head on over to Discord, my friends. I also have X, and I do post stuff. I'm quite active over on X, man. I post little trades, updates. I'll mainly jump on in the chat there with the GIFs because I do still like a GIF, man. I enjoy a GIF. I enjoy a GIF as much as the next guy. Here was another one of my go-to trades that played out beautifully, man. Look at this. That was a good entry. Look at that. One of my sniper. I love these little sniping entries, man. I love them because there's literally no risk, is there? Right, I'm gonna go off now and have a nice day. I'm gonna go and watch my lovely little sweetheart. Here we go. Let's have a nice day. You guys still there? I thought you gone, man. Guys, haven't you got trades to place? Come on, man. Anyway, time for some technical analysis. Let's do some technical analysis together. Or if you're brand new to crypto, have a good one. Love. Yeah.